I should be over all the butterflies. I've been into you.
'Cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. Yes.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I have a freaking cute wig, okay? It is glueless, completely glueless, ready to wear and go. Okay, this is right out the box. I just refreshed the curls. Literally, this wig is so convenient. You know, y'all know, these ready to go wigs are just clutch, okay? You don't have to really do anything. The only thing that I did, and it's just because I'm a little nitpick when it comes to like the color of my lace, I like to put the contour powder on the lace itself, but that's it. Okay, so let's get into the details on this wig. Okay, so this wig is from Unice Hair Company. This is 24 inches. I believe this is like 180% density. The color of this wig is just so cute. Okay, they did that. It is perfect for the fall. It's something slight. It's not something that's gonna jump out. They did a really good job with this ombre brown to like a little of like a chocolate brown, a little bit lighter than chocolate brown towards the ends. I love it. It's something so subtle, very fluffy. It curled extremely easy. It took the heat so well. The only thing is it can get not frizzy. It's not super frizzy. I don't know really how to explain it. But I would just put like a light serum in the hair just to really smooth out the hair. But that's me nitpicking, because clearly if you're looking at it now, you really probably can't even notice it. But yeah, if that bothers you, serum is an easy fix to that. Okay, normally with these ready to go wigs, I like to, like I said, put the contour powder, but I also like to put concealer in the parting space. Did not have to do that. I feel like it came already brightened. It would make no sense to use concealer in the parting space when it's like this. This wig came pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached. Literally, you don't have to do anything. They really did a good job. And speaking of the parting space, do you guys see how much parting space you actually get in this wig? I love that. You can do a middle part, a side part, a deep side part. You can even braid it with some parts in the front, okay? There's a lot that you can do, and you can be very creative with hairstyles when you have a closure like this. This wig is super snug, okay? It has an adjustable elastic band. It has adjustable straps. It has one comb in the back, and then around the perimeter of the wig, they have a, like, I forgot, it's some type of plasticky silicone sticky situation to where that is not, your wig is not going to slip off. So I really like that. And like I mentioned, it is glueless. You guys can see, I'm going to lift it up. I did not have to put anything to secure this, and I feel like it blended super well with my skin tone, with the contour powder, of course. But yeah, I just feel like this wig is super cute, super manageable, super easy, convenient. You gotta love that. So that's about it, you guys. It's really self-explanatory. You guys have seen a lot of these videos on my page. This definitely staying in my stash. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.
I should be over all the butterflies. I've been into you. And baby, even all the worst nights